Right, this is Novatonathan Shop Eye Channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Cape Town Spurs North. My brother, how do you feel about the game tonight?
Well, the game it was obvious that Sundowns is going to win. I mean, Spurs, Jela Pirates.
Yeah, it's really for donate the point.
Yeah, so it's not fair that I can't even go shop before get to Momara.
Yeah.
It's not fair what the Sundowns can be judged for the victory today. It's not worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you knew that you're coming here to win.
Yeah. I mean, even if the Van Boy more the ball boy as the behind as the trains.
Yeah.
Sundowns. No, what are we?
What are we not throw?
Yeah, no, what are we now?
Yeah,
What
yeah.
are
Yeah.
so Maragabon or Agrabon very situation. Maragabon about
Mara at least give a little bit one year.
well, I get out I mean Cape Town Arbe
Captain Gaba, and give a little bit 1 year.
no, I get no, I come actually safe.
Yeah.
Mara. I get about a penny ya pyramid.
Oh, yeah.
One quarter already.
True, yeah.
Yeah. So it's a very pyramid. Basama or one Mara.
Yeah, because of Abakora pyramid, but now
Maragiri. If only team or one or Dallas Samani. Oh, that little bit of transparency.
yeah.
In Telauri, Onowina, Osono Power Line. Abe same level.
Same level,
Abe team no Pirates
Hey,
affair.
yeah.
No,
Thank you very much. And good
Pirates affair.
Naili man men of the match.
Well, now men of the Machaka, maybe Shalulile because Shalule he always pulls up. If we have to be honest, the guy I give him, yeah.
No, thank you very much, my brother. Congratulations.
Thank you,
And all the best in future.
Thanks, my brother.
Later also.